Hi, my name is Evan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a snail. So first, you're going to come over here. You're not going to draw the big part of the shell first. You're going to start with the middle, the little part. So you're going to go like that, and then stop right here. And then next step, and then you're going to come over here. And go there and make a little tail. And then connect it over here. Next step is you're going to draw the eyes and mouth. Sometimes you want to do the cross-eyed or maybe not. But I'm going to show you the cross-eyed way. And then you draw two little dots, like circles like that, or ovals. And you're going to connect them like that. Then you can do this and then this. Then next you're going to draw the mouth, a little smile and that. Next is going to be the details. It's going to kind of look weird after this, but so you're going to draw this, some eyebrows, and then you're also going to draw this below his mouth and this as underbelly, and some circles like that. Then now you're going to go over to the shell and add some details on the shell like that. And then you're going to draw the yuck stuff right here. It's the yuck stuff. Okay, and then you got your snail. Keep drawing.